Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to fix Facebook page unpublished problem. So there are reasons why you encounter this problem or you see this Facebook page unpublished problem. So there are a few reasons why this could happen. Could be not all your admins have an authentic profile. Your page has admins that have gone against Facebook's community standards, or the page has a misleading name. Your page has been reported by someone, or you post content that is misleading to people who follow your page. And that's the reason why you see this notification right here. However, there is a way on how to fix this. So what you're going to do is you have to go to your page quality. And in the page quality, you will see here page has been removed, and for community standards violations, so no violations, but there is restrictions. So your page is restricted because it didn't follow community standards. So they also indicate here that they're not always right. So if you think that they are wrong, you can disagree with their decision. So to do that or to appeal, what you're going to do is to click this your page has been unpublished due to continued community standards violation. So what you're going to do here is to click this one, and you will see this how we make decisions. So we use the same community standards around the world for everyone on Facebook. We use either a technology or a review team to remove anything that doesn't follow our standards as quickly as possible. Our review team works in many languages to make sure our standards are applied consistently. So what you're going to do here is you have to click this continue button. Now, what would you like to do? You have two options here, accept decision or disagree with decision. So what you're going to do, of course, is you have to click the second one because you want to disagree with their decision. You want them to take a look again with your FB page and see if you have really violated any community standards, if you're not really using authentic profile, if your admins or your page admins have gone against Facebook community standards, or if your page has a misleading name, and so on. So they will review and they will tell you what will be the decision soon. So all you have to do is to wait for that. But as you can see here, it appears that you disagree with the decision and they will give you another chance and they will give you a follow-up with their decision if they have get wrong decision. So they will just review and all you have to do is to wait for it. So if you have found this video helpful or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.